So you want to know what the birthstone is for April, and you're wondering how can I turn the remains of a dead person into this birthstone? Well, I'm going to share with you exactly how you can do that in this video. And if this is your first time here to the channel, welcome to That Jewelry Guy. Here I share with you some weird, interesting, and sometimes some quite unusual facts about jewelry, and even give you a little bit of advice before you purchase your next piece of jewelry. So if you're a jewelry lover just like me, make sure to subscribe to the channel as well. And my name is Levon, aka That Jewelry Guy. And whoa, what was that noise? I think it was a volcano. It's going to make sense shortly. Don't worry, I'm not totally nuts. Now, the birthstone is diamonds. Diamonds, diamonds, and diamonds. A girl's best friend, it should be everyone's best friend if you truly ask me as well. So diamonds are actually brought closer to the Earth's surface by volcanic activity. But before you start packing your house up and saying, you know, come on honey, come on kids, we're moving next to a volcano because this YouTube video just told me I can find diamonds there because of volcanic activity. Yes, volcanic activity does bring diamonds closer to the Earth's surface, but we're talking closer as in they're still only going to be 90 to 120 miles away from the Earth's surface. So before you move and you start digging for diamonds, listen in further. Now, where did this name come from? Where did the name diamonds come from? Well, I'm going to give you a hint. Oppa, oppa, oppa. Did you get it? You just think I'm weird? Oh. Okay, well, I mean, yeah, you're not alone. There's many people who think I'm weird. Well, the hint was meant to mean, well, the hint was meant to get you thinking Greek as well. So, Greece named diamonds Adamas. Adamas, the word you see here on the screen, which means invincible in Greek, is where the name diamonds came from. Do you want to know how you can save hundreds, if not thousands of dollars on your April birthstone purchase? Well, keep on watching because I'm going to show you exactly how to do that as well. It's not as simple as you think. It's not just buy a smaller diamond, you know, drop the quality down. It's not as simple as that. So keep on listening. Now, let's talk about the quality parts, the 4 C's. Well, the 4 C's are important, but if you ask me, it's the 5th C that's the most important. I call the 5th C confidence. Now, I'm going to do a whole video about the 4 C's, which you will find on the channel as well. So make sure to subscribe to the channel as well. But here, let me give you a little quick brief overview. Don't pay for something that you cannot see, first of all. So if you're going to a jewelry store, you say, okay, I want to see 2 color grades down or 3 color grades down from the one that you're showing me at the moment, and they don't have the inventory to show you that. Or let's say you want to see a diamond that's 30 points smaller than the diamond that they're currently showing you, and they say, oh, we don't have that here, but we can order it in for you. Just leave that store and find another one that does. Do not start paying for things you cannot see, because if you can put one next to the other, you'll be able to see for yourself, okay, is there a real difference here? Here is the question of the day for you though as well. Can you tell me what this spooky cursed diamond is that you see here in the corner of the screen? Spooky and cursed is all of the hints that I'm giving you. Maybe, you know what, I'm actually scrolling down when you go to comment down and tell me what this diamond is that you see here in the corner of the screen. Now, how about turning a dead person literally into a diamond? Well, memorial diamonds are actually a big thing. This started in the 2000s, where there were multiple companies that claimed the fame to be the first company to do this. So there isn't really like an originator, as we can clearly say today, at least. But what they would do is they would either take a small amount of human hair or ashes, and then they would turn this into a diamond. Some of these actual websites will actually tell you how much hair to bring, or actually how much ashes to bring in an actual measurement itself. So that way you know exactly how much of it you need for the specific diamond that you're wanting from those ashes as well. So now the real question is, what would you rather? Would you rather have an urn with the remains of your loved one, or would you rather wear them in a set of jewelry? Birthstone is boom. What the? What was that? Oh, it was a volcano. Tips how you can do that in this video.